Hi guys, Andrew here, Urban Automotive, Oakville, Ontario, Canada. Here to talk to you about some suspension issues and noises. This particular customer was talking about their vehicle started to get a little bit of a clunky noise in the front end, and it started getting a little worse, and now it's not doing it anymore. So is it fixed? You know, what had happened? No, in this case here, what we have, this is the front stabilizer link attached to your front stabilizer bar. Back in the day, they used to call those anti-sway bars, but they're to help stabilize your vehicle in the corners. Now, what's happened here over time, this is a ball socket type joint here. They'll wear, they'll have play, because as the suspension's going up and down, they will take some impact and develop some play. That is the start of the noise here. Now then, since this is broken, that's when the noise goes away. It's no longer attached. And the car will seem to sway a little bit more through the corners and all that. So in this vehicle here, we'll be putting on a set of new stabilizer links, sending the customer on their way, and they'll be good to go for a while. If you guys have any suspension noises or issues, feel free to give us a call here at the shop. Urban Automotive, safety first.